Hello, everyone, and welcome to 10x Office. 10x Office is your lead in referral generation software for business and franchise brokers. Let me ask you a quick question. Why did you become a business broker? Why did you decide to sell franchises? Perhaps you found it to be a lucrative opportunity. I mean, where else you can make 10, 20, even $50,000 from making a single referral to a franchisor? I mean, it's a great opportunity. You can work from anywhere, anytime. You're your own boss. You set your own schedule, your own time. I mean, you are in charge. But you probably have realized by now that in order to make a lot of money in this business, to be successful as a franchise broker, you need to get really, really good at generating your own leads. Why? Because leads are expensive. If you're buying leads from online portals, and you know which ones I'm talking about. I mean, these portals are expensive. They're selling leads for 30, 50, sometimes even 70 or $100 a pop. That's expensive. Now, before I begin, let me clarify. We are not a marketing company. We're not in sales. We're not here to sell you leads. We don't want to sell you some access to a directory or a network. None of that stuff. So, what are we? We are an actual software. Yes, an actual online software that you use so you can generate your own leads, so you can generate your own referrals. So, that's what we do. It's an actual product. Now, yes, this product is used by franchisors. Yes, it is used by online portals. It is used by other marketers. All those people who are selling you the actual leads, they use either our product or something similar to generate their own leads. But now this product is available to you, so you can generate your own leads. Now, very simple. Would you like to get more franchise sales this year? The answer is probably yes, right? If the answer is yes, nod yes. All right, great. Now, in 10x Office, of course, you will get an access to an online directory where you can find franchisors, even other brokers who are willing to pay you a referral fee. But in addition to that, you also get an access to generate your own website, a beautiful portal looking website that is really, really good at converting traffic into leads. Now, it's a customizable website. So, yes, you can change colors, you can change images, you can change your text, you can add your own logo, you can even private label it with your own domain name. So, you can do all that. And it's beautiful at the end of the day. It doesn't require any maintenance, it's automatically updated with content. So, it's ready to go. Like you can literally create a new website like in 5 minutes. Okay. But why stop there? Why just have one website? If you talk to these online portals who are selling you these leads, these people don't have one website. They have 5, 10, 15, 20, sometimes even 50 websites. You know why? Because more websites equals to more leads. Think of a website like a storefront. If you have one store, you will have X number of people passing by that. And out of those X number of people, Y number of people that will actually make a purchase. Your websites are the same way. The more websites you have, the more people will go to those sites. And more people go to those sites, the more leads you can generate. And obviously, more leads you have, more referrals you can make, and eventually make a lot of money. In addition to having a website, we will also help you drive traffic to it. We'll train you how you can generate traffic so you have more visitors coming to your website, right? And after that, we also have access to co-op opportunities. Now, you're probably very much familiar with the term resale if you're coming from a franchise sales background. And if you're like any other broker, you realize selling a resale is oftentimes easier than selling a brand new franchise. Now, the reason why people are interested in resale is because they can look at an existing revenue, they can look at some history, they have some vote of confidence is how is this business is going to perform. Now, co-op opportunities are the same way. So there are a lot of brokers out there. They have listings available for sale. So these listings could be of a local motel, a restaurant, an hotel, or some other business opportunity out there. And these brokers are willing to pay you a referral fee if you have a great candidate for them. So just like a franchisor would do. So the only difference is instead of making a referral to a franchisor, you're making it to another fellow broker. So you have access to those opportunities as well. Now, in 10x, of course, you can generate a beautiful looking website. You can see a screenshot right here. And by the way, there are like hundreds of templates available, so you can easily choose what kind of template you want and quickly change your website look and feel. You can obviously manage your lead and referrals inside the 10x office, so it acts as your complete the CRM system. As I mentioned, you can deal with other brokers as well, so you have access to them. You can easily get hold of your prospects by calling them directly from 10x. You can text them or you can email them. So there's a two-way text messaging built into 10x Office, and all of your calls and all of your activities are automatically logged, so you don't have to manually make an entry. In fact, you can even choose to record all of your phone calls, so all the entire history of your conversation can be found inside the 10x Office itself. You can keep track of everything. I mean, you access your franchisor directory. From there, you can submit a territory check to them. You can make a referral to them, and the system will track that for you, so you know which candidate was sent to which franchisor. The system can track all that. Your pipelines, your leads, your deals, so whatever you're working on can be tracked right inside the 10x Office, because it, like I said, it acts as your central CRM system in addition to your websites as well. And the last piece of the puzzle that is very, very important for to become successful in the franchise consulting industry is you got to have an effective marketing. As you know, that the messaging is crowded. Like if you go to any online portal and you apply to become a prospect at any one of the franchises, all of a sudden you're getting bombarded with emails, text messages, phone calls, not from one franchisor but many other. How do you stand out of the crowd? So this is where we come in. We really make you look like someone special. Our marketing is designed to help you get replies, help you get more responses from your prospects. So a beautiful email marketing, you don't have to have a separate tool for that. Complete two-way text messaging. You can do an interest-based marketing. When a resale opportunities become available, you can market those to your prospects, and you can create your own custom marketing programs in this system as well. Now, if you are an established business or franchise broker, you probably already have a website, you probably already have a CRM system, and you probably have a marketing system, you probably have a phone system. But having all those systems creates two problems. A, they're costly because you're buying multiple systems. B, on top of that, the integration between all these different options is also very expensive. Your website got to talk to your CRM got to talk to your marketing, and that becomes really complex. So beauty of this system is everything is built in one place. You don't have to go to different places. All the data remains in one place. You don't have to have an integration done. You don't need an IT manager. You don't need a web developer. You don't need third-party tools to make all that stuff work. Now, here's the really great thing about 10x Office. If something is not working for you, you don't even need to hire a support person. You can reach out to us and we'll make it work for you. So everything just kind of works right inside your 10x Office itself. Now, the beauty is we want you to give it a try, because only when you give it a trial, you'll realize the full potential of this system. So like I said earlier, we have franchisors using it to generate their own leads. We have marketing companies using it. We have other services professionals. So if you're selling any kind of service, you got to have that system. Once you use it once, you will realize the full potential and you will never do things the old way. So let me make it simple for you. You can reach out to us. You can click on Get Started button or Request a Free Access button, and I will send you a 30-day risk-free access, meaning no upfront fees. I won't ask you to sign any contracts, no training fees, none of that stuff. I'll just give you an access and we'll train you how to use the system so you can see the full power of it. All right. So it's that simple. We won't even ask you for any credit card information. All you got to do is reach out to us and we'll get you going. So I hope you like what you see, but you would really love it once you see an actual demo of it. So reach out to us and let us show you a quick demo and let us get you a free 30-day access so you can try out the system yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.